girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, sweet and spicy like a cook, yeah. I'll keep it real, let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah.
What up, bass heads, and welcome back to the channel. So this is the project we're working on. This is a 9.8 Oldsmobile Regency. Done a big full build on it. I've already started on some of the work, so I'll get you guys up to date on what's going on with it, and then stay tuned. This one's going to be a banger. All right, so first of all, we got a 250 brand X that I just got done putting in. 14.8 volt regulator. I'm currently working on doing the big three and getting terminals and all that stuff ready. So, but we just got the alternator on. It's charging, no belt slip, everything's working right. So on this build, he is staying with stock batteries. We got this one and then two more AGMs that's going in the back. So let's work our way back through here. This is going to have a crazy mids and highs setup. But we got the start of a amp rack going here. I'm not going to lie, he originally had somebody else start on the build, so there was a bunch of mess back here that we're going to have to clean up, but that ain't no big deal. That's what we do. Alright, so we got the alternator installed. It's a little loud because the engine's running, but I want to check, make sure we're charging. So that's a 250 brand X. Like I said, it's got a 14.8 volt regulator. Working on the big three and stuff right now, but I want to make sure the alternator was charging. Yeah, she's good. So the build's going to be two Brazilian Sound Platinum 15s in a box that he had somebody build for him. The box seems okay. It looks like it's a little small in the port area, but we're going to send it. If it don't sound good, he's going to have us build him one. So yeah, base 8K. The epicenter's coming out. We have a PRV DSP that we're going to run, and then Tar-Amps DS800x4, and then a Tar-Amps TS800x4. So there's a lot of stuff to clean up back here. We're doing a rear deck for him too, with a couple 6x9s and a couple super tweeters back here in the deck. I'm going to tear all that out and rebuild it with birch. And then we're going to put LED lights and stuff like that in it. And he's going to have it wrapped at the wrap shop. We do got some consoles in here for the mids and highs, which these are pretty badass. So this console has 4 Timpano bullets and 4 of the Timpano super tweeters. It's got some really cool edge lit stuff too, so he's got a button that he can press up front and the edges of these light up blue. We're going to do the same thing for the console in the back. Or excuse me, not the console, but the rear deck. Then I'll show you guys up front. So here's the other console that's up front. Pretty cool little setup. It's got 4 Timpano bullets, 2 of the super tweeters, and I'm not for sure if these are Timpano as well, these little bullets down here. I have to double check, cross-reference that. Got a Kenwood KDC X305 single den. Yeah, we're going to get them all set up, so you guys stay tuned. This thing's going to be badass when it's all done. All right, so far, like I was telling you, I got the alternator put in, then we got all the big three done. Big ground right off of the alternator. There's your positive. Got our chassis ground that comes down here. And then, so we got 2 runs that are going to come up and they go down. They can actually go under the car. I have them all zip tied up to the body. And then they're coming out right here. So, and then also what I'm starting to work on now, because I think I'm pretty much done with everything up front. So there's a wiring mess here with these pods. And the customer actually had somebody else start working on it first before it got brought to me. So I'm having to go through and pretty much undo everything that's already been done. Because, I mean, they had the 4-channel bridged at 1 ohm and just silly stuff that can't be done that way. So I think we're about to start working on the rear deck here. We're gonna do 6x9, and then the center's gonna have a port to port in through the cabin. I think I'm gonna use some 5/8 birch or something to go up here. We'll just have to see. You guys stay tuned in, man. And I'm a little over my head on this one, but I think it's gonna be badass when it's done.
They tryna bring my click down, so I spit rap. Fully automatic, causing havoc, best to get down. Grab the kick from under the blows up under the flow. Now we out this bitch, like it was up with hoes up in the flow. I'm substitute this shit till I'm hit. Can't be captured and shackled. They watch the judge, give me the dick, let my shit spit. Mac clacking and clicking until his legs kicking. Bitch telling them, adrenaline pumping, nigga keep dumping.
Alright, so I ended up having to take a break on the car for pretty much almost 2 days because we had some shitty weather and the rain and stuff. I'm not 100% sure where I left off at in the video, so I'll have to go back and look, but for now I'll give you guys a rundown of what we got done so far and where we're at. I know I showed you guys the alternator and big 3. That stuff is all pretty much done. And then I had to go through all these pods, all of the consoles and stuff, because they was all wired wrong. So I had to take them apart and go through them. We got them all wired up right. Back here, really, the only thing I need to do is zip tie up the wires and get all that cleaned up, get the back seats put in and everything clean. I'm working on the rear deck as well. It's going to be 2 super tweeters and 2 6x9s. I'll show you where I'm at on that. The back is pretty much finished. I got the amp rack all done. Everything wired up. Everything's ready to go. We got a PRV DSP 2.8X. All that is all ready to go. We got 2 big AGM batteries. As you can see, one's on one side, one's on the other. Now, when the subwoofer box goes in here, I have these wraps that I got that will strap the batteries to the box. And I'll show you guys how that works as we go. But yeah, this turned out pretty clean. There's still a couple little things that I need to do. Like that wire right there is just coming off of the bass amp. It's going to go to the subs. Just a little bit more stuff on cleaning up, but I made sure to get all the wiring right. This is all OFC 1-aught. Yeah, everything with this is turning out pretty good. We're hoping to have it done today. So I will show you guys what we got going on for the rear deck. It's going to be stained a navy blue. So yeah, it's going to have a port in the middle, 2 6x9s, and then 2 super tweeters. We're about to sand this down and get it all ready and prep for paint. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. We're hoping to get this thing bumping today. All right, so we got the back deck painted. And then me and the wife just got mounted up in there. She's going through with the stain, and everywhere where we put a screw at to hold it down, she's going to go through there and tack that blue so it matches. Now, get that in, and then the tweeters and the 6x9s. Clean up this wiring, get the back seats and all that in. Also, we got some LED strips to put up back here. And then throw the subs and the box in the back, hook it all up, get it tuned, should be good to go. Oh yeah, and we got the straps for the batteries. They're gonna strap to the side of the box. Yeah, I know this is a crazy build video, and I wish I would have shown more of it as I went, but a lot of it I've done by myself. I usually have my wife with me, but she's been real busy at her job too, so I hope you guys like it though. Stay tuned. All right. Back at it today. We got the rear deck finished. It turned out really good. Reva is zip tying up some wires, getting everything cleaned off, then we'll be ready to put the back seats back in. But what do you guys think about that rear deck? I think it turned out pretty good. We do have LED lights. There's going to be an LED strip that goes across the back, kind of light up the window and shit. But yeah, I think that turned out pretty badass. 2 6x9s, 2 super tweeters, big port from the trunk so all the bass can port through here. Yeah, y'all stay tuned. We should be playing it today. All right, so I'm finally done with this bucket. Everything's all set up. Amp set. All the lights are on. Got a little bit of lights around the amp back here. Subs are all mounted and in there. Batteries are strapped down to the sub box. Show you guys the inside. What y'all think? That turned out pretty badass. And then got this one up front too. Oh yeah. Sick. Okay, so we're officially done with the Olds 9.8. Do a little walkthrough here of everything we did, and then I'll give you a little footage of it banging. So we did a 250 Brand X, Big 3, all that good stuff up front here. 2 runs of 1/0 from the front to the back. Big 1/0 ground off the alternator. Another big ground right off the chassis there. Then as you work your way back, we got Kenwood KDC X305. So this pod has 4 Timpano 6.5 bullets and 4 of the Timpano super tweeters. Then in the back, we have the same thing, 4 and 4. Then in the rear deck that we built, you got 2 audio pipe, I think they're CSR 6x9s, and then 2 more Timpano super tweets. As you work your way to the back here, we got 2 Resilient Sound Platinum 15s in a box that he had built. Sounds okay, but I think he's going to have us building something that's more for playing the lows and stuff. This thing's tuned a little high, but it works for now. Big Duralast AGM on this side, another one on this side, all terminated with 1 auto FC. We have a Tar Amps Bass 8K in the back. Then we got the PRV DSP 2.8 doing all the processing. We'll get back down in here. Tar Amps TS 800 on the front pods, and then a DS 800 on the rear pods. So yeah, I've been working on this build, me and my wife, for about 5 or 6 days now, and we just now wrapping it up, getting everything finished up and to the end. So I'll insert a video here of it banging, and yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you would, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
All I think about is killing motherfuckers.
I need to hold down with no eyes when I'm late. Switched up the friendly spot, but the face that reads fucking pain. I got babies, I just overdose of cool. They know my now, they know my die. Feel like they're singing from Daddy. Every time the face we try to top. I ain't got my money don't fool, I'm trying to spend some. Yeah, I got a problem, but my problem ain't my income. I got fake ones and then some. Living over you, and if you wanna tell your friends come. What you tripping on? What you sipping on? Do what you wanna, just leave it to me to get you home. So what? Do it to the baseline. Somebody cut the lights off. My body check the light off. Do it to the baseline. Anytime you need it, it's yours. We had a good night, but the DJ has us last time. Well, you got something worth waiting for. And I've been criticizing, but now you are winding last week. Somebody put the lights out. The party check the light out. I've been waiting all night, and I think it's the right song. To put on the waistline, I don't wanna waste time. So what? Do it to the baseline. It's got it, my got it, so we can ride the beat. Not like you don't already know what you want. Need it on the bed or the floor. Mama, take it cool. Baseline. How your hips like that? With your hips like that?
Another satisfied customer. Hell yeah. Y'all need any work done, hit us up. Audio Connections, baby. We out of here.